Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English Literature course book our lesson 6, the 3 questions. Today I will explain you this lesson. Student, this is our English Literature course book. This is lesson 6, the 3 questions in English Literature. Student, I have explained you scene 1 from this lesson. Now today I will explain you scene 2 from this lesson. In a wood, in front of the hermit's hut, beside some dug out mud. Hermit. Cuff, spade in hand, ahem. Cuffs again. The hermit continues to dig the ground. He is weak. Each time he sticks his spade into the ground and turns a little earth. He breathes heavily. Enters king dressed like a common man. In this scene, there was some dug out mud in front of hermit's hut. There was spade in hermit's hand and he also coughed a lot. The hermit continued to dig the ground. He is so weak. When he dig the ground, he breathes heavily. At that time, the king entered and he dressed like a common man. King. Going close to the hermit. I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you 3 questions. What's the right time to begin everything? Who are the right people to listen to? What's the most important thing to do? The hermit listens to the king but answers nothing. He breathes heavily and recommences digging. The king, going close to hermit and said to him that he was come to get answer of his 3 questions. That is, what is the right time to begin everything? Who are the right people to listen to? And what's the most important thing to do? The hermit listened to him but not give him any answer. He is continue digging the ground and breathes heavily. King. You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you. Hermit. Thanks. He gives the spade to the king and sits down on the ground. The king digs 2 beds. Hermit. Now rest a while and let me work a bit. The king said to hermit that I think you are tired. Please give me spade and I help you to dig that ground. Hermit said thank you to king and he gave him spade. The king dig 2 beds. Now hermit said okay, now you have to take rest for a while and let me work a bit. But the king continued to dig. Change light to show slowly the day. Gives way to the evening. Take a minute to show this change. The king at last stuck the spade into the ground. But the king did not give him spade. He was digging the ground and now it's become evening. And now king become very tired and he put the spade into the ground. King. I came to you, wise man, for answers to my questions. If you can give me none, tell me so, and I will return home. Hermit. Here comes someone running. Let's see who it is. They see a bearded man come running out of the wood. He is bleeding heavily and falls fainting on the ground, moaning weakly. The king said to hermit that he was come to him to get answer of his 3 questions, and if he not give him any answer, so then he return home. Hermit said, let's see first who is coming towards near to them. They saw a bearded man who was wounded and bleeding heavily, and he fainted on the ground. King, oh, he is bleeding heavily. He will die if we cannot stop the bleeding. The king and the hermit unfasten the man's clothing and see a large wound in his stomach. The king washes and bandages it. King, finally it has stopped flowing. Bearded man, water, water. The king exits and comes back with water. King, let me take you to the hut. Have some rest and you will feel better. With the hermit's help, the king carries the wounded man into the hut. The king said he was bleeding heavily. It should be stopped, otherwise we will not save his life. They remove man's cloth. They saw wound in his stomach. The king washes and bandages it. Now the bleeding had stopped. The bearded man asked some water to drink. The king go and bring some water for him. The king said to man, let me take you to the hut. You have take some rest, you feel better. With the hermit's help, the king carries the wounded man into the hut. Student, now I will explain you this exercise. Write a synonym and an antonym for each of these words. You may use a thesaurus for help. One has been done for you. These are words, and here you have to write synonym of these words, and here you have to write antonyms of these words. There are 6 words and you have to write its synonym and also its antonyms. The first word is bizarre and its synonym is weird and its antonym is normal. The second word is angry and its synonym is annoyed and its antonym is peaceful. Third word is brave and its synonym is fearless and its antonym is fearful. Fourth word is messy and its synonym is dirty and its antonym is clean. The word messy, its synonym is dirty and its antonym is clean. Fifth word is silent. Its synonym is noiseless and its antonym is noisy. Sixth word is gigantic and its synonym is huge and its antonym is tiny.